What's up everybody? July garden video 2026. What up, what up? These are a lot bigger than they were last month. It's pretty crazy how stuff grows. Like look at these peas. How many pounds of peas do we have at home?
So many pounds.
Got pounds upon pounds, you know what I mean? It's crazy. But to be fair, this is what we like to eat.
Yeah.
We'll cut these puppies in half, add a little bit of oil in a pan, toss these in, fry them up. Real nice side. I love it. But you know, mid-July, things start to die. This is how the way things go. What day is it?
As you can see, we have some really tall dill, borage. Something that bees really love is the European borage. And we grow a lot of dill for the eastern black swallowtail caterpillars and butterflies. You're the talent, baby.
So thirsty.
Action.
This is our garden. July 2026. Love me that oregano.
Flowering oregano. I'm gonna put this in bouquets. It's so pretty. It smells so good. It's like the prettiest purple.
Look at these marigolds over here. Wow, they're starting to flower. Oh look, that kind of looks like a marigold too. Did you do that on purpose?
I was thinking that same thing today, but I didn't do it on purpose. French marigold. See that? We don't want that.
Wow, look at this tomato! I can't say that we grew it ourselves. It kind of came on the plant this way. Look at this little volunteer.
Yeah, and you can tell it's a red sunflower because of how dark the stem.
Oh yeah, look how red the stems are. We got teddy bear sunflowers. Oh, no, some other sunflowers, whatever.
Mammoth.
Tons of them. They're everywhere.
I don't know which is which, but I'm gonna guess that these two are the teddy bear sunflowers and these two are just like a short dwarf, like regular sunflower variety. And then these are mammoth sunflowers. There's some borage like growing in with it. And then like our number one enemy weed, creeping Jenny, gross. It's like kind of encroaching a little too much.
Yeah, it's everywhere, unfortunately. The entire garden is surrounded by it. Look at this asparagus. pretty cool. This is my grandpa Irving's asparagus. He planted this a long time ago. Way before I was born. But he planted this in like the 70s or something, you know? Red sunflowers. Beautiful. Tied them up the other day. All I do is I take a little bit of rope and I wrap it around the whole damn thing. I say, you know what? They'll hold each other up. Guess what? They do. They love it. Got these beans right here. Next to them are some cosmos. Cameron got these statuses and these snapdragons on sale. So we planted them. And I thought they were gonna die. But look, they didn't. They're growing. Next to the statuses, we have some nasturtiums. What kind of nasturtiums are those, Cameron?
Mix seed.
I think those are from our crop last year.
These dark ones are the red ones. These bright green ones are not. Probably orange. The Rudbeckia.
Black-eyed Susan?
Yeah, black-eyed Susan. It's pretty. I like that color. That's why we got it. It's for the wedding next year.
And some wonderful yarrow next to it.
Purple fennel. Mexican sunflower, some cosmos, we have calendula.
Or as I like to call it, calendula.
Yep, they said good night. There's even some calendula growing down there in the depths. This Mexican sunflower is so friggin' soft. I wish everyone could feel what I'm feeling right now. Crazy soft, like a lamb's ear, but it's not lamb's ear. It is Mexican sunflower.
Oh look, our beans, they're producing flowers again after getting eaten. Look at these leeks and oh, the onion that's flowering right now, that was just a yellow onion that we got from the supermarket. And then next to it, celosia, that's all from last year.
Yeah, like this thick stem.
What's going on over here? Are these all weeds?
What's all these then?
What's this?
What's all that stuff? I feel like that's a flower.
People on YouTube, tell us what these plants are. Just name them off. Can you see in this row? Just name them. This is called pigweed, but if this is something else where you're from, tell us what it's called.
It's more beneficial to have weeds growing in an unused bed than it is to have nothing in it.
Choice words. We decided to just let our Italian parsley go to flower this year. Parsley seeds are great. Wasps, you know, they're gonna be all over this thing. And we love wasps in this garden.
I like parasitic wasps. Blue native parasitic wasp. Oh, I found one. All right, we missed that one. There it is. It just loves this parsley that has gone to flower. We picked a lot of this parsley in the springtime and early summer and put it into pastas, and it was really, really yummy.
And these are the vanilla ice baby sunflowers that were dying in the last video.
Oh,
They
yeah.
ain't dying no more.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah.
Really like pastel yellow. Supposed to be super pretty. But sunflowers are resilient.
Yeah, these bachelor buttons. We bought seeds at Skillins, right? These are a beautiful shade of purple. Hiss. What are you doing in my garden? Be gone.
Oh my god.
Be gone. Oh, you found me.
Babe. It would fall.
If I climbed it like The Exorcist, it would fall.
Yeah.
I'll put money on that. We do some online gambling over that.
No.
We could gamble about that.
No.
When did you take this and cut it?
July like 7th or 8th.
Nice. Yeah, and then over here we got some climbing nasturtiums.
Where you're standing and where the camera is kind of my favorite view. Like I just think the cornflowers look really pretty. Our tomatoes are doing really good. They started to flower, so that's exciting. There is no shortage of tomatoes in the garden.
Yeah, you're right about that. Ooh, yeah, these onions.
Yep, onions are looking really good.
Ooh, I can't wait to eat these. Our mushroom.
More celosia. It's so pretty. The bees are absolutely loving it, and it's just like, what a pretty color.
Harvested all the garlic. Got about 24 bulbs from over here. So we're just letting the strawberries grow out, and I'll weed all of this other crap out of here at some point, and then around November we'll plant more garlic. The morning glories are starting to climb over here.
Can we just point out that even though it's a weed, these dandelions were massive. Look at how tall they were. And dandelions help the soil.
Gotta love lazy gardening. Oh, look at this cilantro. It's starting to seed. Ooh, that's gonna be yummy.
Oh yeah, the coriander, yum.
Yeah. Probably gonna cut back this broccoli.
There's a couple blue parasitic wasps. They're talking to each other right on that sunflower leaf. And they're really pretty in the sun.
Tons of cosmos. These zinnias, they've grown about a foot and started flowering, so that's pretty cool. Next month, oh, the amount of flowers that are going to be in here, it's going to be crazy. Now what? Look at these sweet peas. Sweet peas look really great. Totally poisonous though. Don't eat these pods. I mean, would you eat hairy pods? I wouldn't.
Maine Zone 6A, 5B. We got a red snapdragon to grow back in the garden.
Yeah, the roots made it. All right, side note, she thinks there's beer in here, but there's actually just a bunch of dead, gross slugs that are all like squished and, oh, they're probably like totally dehydrated now. Ugh, gross. So yeah, that's it for us. Thanks for joining us in our garden this month. Bye. Dang, girl, them nails. Ooh, dang, check out that ring. Dang, girl.